Gold, on the other hand, again, once we got on initially into the order, really nicely strong rally upward, missed our profit target, which is sitting up here, and has currently retraced again and is trading around the 130 or above, just above. So it's around about 7 points below our initial entry. So it would be nice to see that market move upward again. It does look like that if we place a trend line here, that there is some sort of support that it's finding. There's obviously a variance there as well, so we may see that market come down to here before taking off again. On to the currencies, we actually have the euro. It's actually had a nice rally up initially for this position, or sorry, it actually spent a bit of time going against us in the initial stage before going on a nice rally up towards our profit target up here, and then it's come down and retraced and finding support here on this low trend line that we have heading out this way here. So I do feel that this market will again rebound upward again after it's finding support there. So it's a matter of just holding on and hanging on for that ride. Then we have the Great British Pound, which is a long position, which we've only just entered this position. Now the market did get us in and have a nice rally of around about 128 points into our favour. It has actually come back down again, but it's only early day, so it's just a matter of hanging in there and waiting. Now the Canadian dollar was one that we entered the market around about this level here where that aqua line is. We entered around about there. It went into our favour, then quickly reversed, rallying upward, hitting our stop loss, and then falling again back into our favour. Would have hit our profit target or close to our profit target before sort of heading a bit upwards again, but it's still moving in the downward fashion, and unfortunately, again, as I mentioned earlier on with the Australian 200 trade where our stop loss was hit only just before heading back into our favour. It's quite disappointing when this happens. Now the Aussie dollar is quite an interesting trade at the moment. We're in this market long. Our profit target has been hit, so we're nice and safe within that trade. But as you can see earlier on, this market made a head and shoulders pattern. If it rally upward, breaking through a downtrend line and heading up here, but now is finding resistance here at these previous highs here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 highs here, or 5, that it's finding it hard to move through. It had a nice rally again yesterday, but we've had it seeing a bit of sell off as we speak. That is up around about 308 points in profits. So there's been a few not so good trades up our sleeve. The USD JPY is just a new trade that we've got in short last sort of 20 hours, but has since 10 hours of trading. So who knows what's going to happen with that, in that you can't say so early in the piece when a bar is just being formed of what it's actually going to be doing. This could actually do anything. It's a matter of just waiting in there, and fingers crossed that next week or this upcoming week that we actually have, you know, a number of these trades that we're still in turning into be profitable ones, and that the market's going to our favour. Now, until then, if anyone's got any questions, please keep sending them in. We do enjoy receiving your feedback and also your questions that you send. Take care and many happy trading. So bye for now and best wishes for the upcoming week.